Hey everyone, so for this video I am, working full-time. I'm doing school full-time, so I don't really have much free time, but I wanted to make this video to show you guys my spring 2021 garden. So let's check out what plants I have planted and see how they're doing. So I planted bachelor's button, chamomile, bachelor's button some more, and this is the teddy bear sunflower, some sage, rosemary, columbine flowers, cilantro, I have marigold, I have some sunflowers, I have donkey tail, I have my jade plant up there as well as down there. Here's my monstera looking all cute, basil, pothos, catnip. I don't know the name of this one, but it's a purple flower in SoCal. Here we have some pineapple that I am trying to regrow. I have nasturtium, money plant, a pansy, some sage, and my marijuana plant. So far that's it, and they're growing. So I'll do a part 2 if the plants are nice and healthy in the future. Goodbye!
Now aren't we scaring ourselves unnecessarily? Aren't we trying too hard? 'Cause it's in our heads.